guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's me, and I failed this year at Vlogmas. For that, I do apologize. But there's something very, very important that I want to talk to you guys about today. I've gotten a couple of messages, emails, and comments recently, and they were all pertaining to a question that's pretty basic, and it's why do I push freelancing so much? Well, this is going to be a longer explanation. Basically, when I sat back and I looked at the options that I had for careers in this area, which we live in this area because it has good schools, because our families are here, it's pretty limited. You know, there are some factories, there are some universities. That's really about it. So when I start looking at, well, what can I do? Should I teach? I have the education for teaching. Starting income for teachers is about $30,000 a year. Okay, I love kids. I like working with kids, like teenagers. I'm great with teenagers. I don't know that I can do that every day, though. So when I started looking at my options, I very quickly realized that wasn't for me. So I looked at, okay, maybe I can start a business, right? Like maybe being an entrepreneur is what I need to do. It's like 75% of businesses fail in the first year. Okay, so back to the drawing board. I don't want to do that. And I wanted something that worked for me. Now let me explain. I am not a stellar social person. I don't do well with a lot of people. I don't handle drama well. That whole he said, she said, nya, 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 has made me quit multiple jobs in my life because there's not a pay that is good enough for me to listen to grown adults argue like little children. So I had to find something that fit me. And I found Upwork. Upwork kind of popped up out of the blue for me. I think it came across my Facebook page 5 years ago now. And I actually just saw a memory pop up on my Facebook of when I was getting ready for my first ever Upwork interview. So it's 5 years ago. It's 2014. And I went for it. When I look at, let's look at the median average starting range for a teacher for the first 10 years of their career in the state of Alabama being $32,500. So I could be teaching in Alabama for 5 years, pulling my hair out. I would have summers off, but how stressful are those other 9 months out of the year? And I doubled their salary last year on 2 of my 4 jobs. So I had to make adjustments for myself. This is what's worked for me. Now, I'll also tell you that mostly I do customer service. But if I go get a customer service job where I live, I'm either going to be waiting tables, which put myself through college doing it. Can I do it? Yes. Is it something I'm physically capable of right now? If my family were going hungry, yes, but it would take a lot. I could get a job in a call center, making probably $10 or $12 an hour. I could probably get some sales associate job, making $10 or $12 an hour. And I would probably have benefits and maybe a week of vacation a year, making $10 or $12 an hour. In reality, I was very fortunate at the time that I got started with Upwork that my husband was like, let's do it. Go for it. You can do this. And so I had the stability at home with my husband really taking on the wolf's share of the bills in order for me to get settled into the position, and it worked out well for me. I can tell you that last year I cleared 3 times the rate of a teacher in salary in a year. Yes, I work a lot. However, I work from home. My dog is at my feet. I get to go pick up my kid from school, and I have the flexibility that if I decide we want to go to the beach for a week, just take my laptop with me. If you've kept following me up until this point, know that you can be an Upwork freelancer. You can be a freelancer, period. And there's a way for you to make an income from home. I'm working on a newsletter that I would be able to send out job postings with. I haven't worked out all the kinks yet, but there's a lot of jobs that hire at home making decent money. Sometimes it can be hard to vet out those jobs. So there's a form down below. Go ahead and join that. Send me your email, and when I see jobs available, like the true Amazon hires from home jobs or the Sitel hires from home jobs, I'll shoot you a link. Because those are both jobs that I've done before. Okay? Remember 3 things. Number 1, you are worth the time it takes to better your life. Number 2, your life is worth the effort that it takes. And number 3, know that you are loved. Until next time, guys, bye!